Today, we're adding a funny face transformation using the big mouth effect, a perfect choice for goofy meme edits and humorous reaction clips. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap your clip to select it. Next, tap on Effects at the bottom toolbar. From here, tap Body Effects. Now, go to the Funny Faces tab, look for the big mouth effect and tap to apply it. Instantly, the subject's mouth becomes comically large, giving your clip a cartoonish, exaggerated expression, great for funny moments and meme style storytelling. This effect does not offer any additional sliders or customization controls, so once applied, it's ready to go. You can adjust its duration on the timeline if you want it to appear only at certain moments during the video. Play back your video to check how the exaggerated mouth movement enhances your scene. And that's it. You've successfully added the big mouth effect in CapCut Mobile, quick, fun, and perfect for comedic edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.